Did you know you can make money from the comfort of your own home, be your own boss, set your own hours, and make as much money as you want? All that is possible with affiliate marketing. My name is Karen and my background is in physical therapy, and I also make money through affiliate marketing. This is the first time in 30 years, though, that I have not been able to get my hours at work because of what's going on in the world. In fact, last week I only got 12 hours, but the great part is that I made more money through affiliate marketing than I would have if I had worked 40 hours at my job that I've been at for 30 years. So this is something that absolutely can change your life. I don't know if you've tried affiliate marketing before. Maybe you failed, maybe you spent tons of money and you're looking around at everybody and thinking, why can't I make money and everybody else is? Believe me, I understand, I've been there before. But in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing in 2020. And then if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you why I feel people fail in affiliate marketing, and you'll never guess what it is. Let's go ahead and get started. First website you can go to get started with affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. Of course, this is free to sign up, so it's great for beginners. The payouts are lower, but it's something where you can just kind of get your feet wet and get started creating content, because the first thing that I would recommend is to start a niche blog around a certain topic. For an example, this blog, she talks about mold. I actually found her because I had a family member that was suffering health problems and I wanted to find out like how to get rid of mold in the home. And so her blog is all about mold, and she has affiliate links all throughout this blog. She pretty much answered every question that I had. So you're developing a trust factor with someone, and then of course they click on the links that you provide a solution to their problem and they buy from you. And also you get commissions if they put anything else in their cart within the next 24 hours. So you can make some good money that way. Like I said, Amazon pays less, but it's a great way to get started. The first way, like I said, is niche blogging. Here's a couple other examples of blogs. This one did some reviews on dog brushes I found when I was trying to find a brush for my Mastiff. And they go through and they review the different dog brushes, and then they have links to Amazon. And that's very, very helpful because you can see which ones are good and which ones are not. So that's a great way, niche blogging. The other thing is you can start a YouTube channel and start doing reviews. Here are some examples of some YouTube channels that do reviews. This one here reviews books, and you can see that they have a link to Amazon Kindle, or actually Amazon Audible, and then some of the other reviews that they've done, they have a link to the actual book. And here's another channel where he does reviews. He's done a lot of reviews on headphones, and so he makes money every single time someone purchases through his link after they watch the review, which he does really, really good reviews. And you can find things around your home as well. If you don't want to buy things, I'm sure there's many things around your home that you could do a review on. And you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can just show your hands. Another channel is Ryan's Toys, and he does reviews on toys, and you can see he has millions of subscribers. So he does very, very well, and I'm sure he makes a lot of money. Like I said, with Amazon Associates, your commissions are going to be pretty low. But in fact, today I found out that they're actually lowering the commissions. This is what the commissions were, and this is what they're going to right now. Well, actually they said it'll be on the 21st of April. So in about a week, the commissions will drop, which will definitely affect a lot of people who are making good money with Amazon Associates. And it's great if you're a beginner because it's completely free and it can get you used to creating content and getting yourself out there and providing solutions and answering people's questions. The next website I want to talk about is Digistore24. And the way I found out about this is that a top ClickBank product owner actually switched his product from ClickBank to Digistore24. It's called Overnight Millionaire, and you can see right here he does very, very well. And so this one is actually a product that I would recommend that you promote. It is a very good product. It converts very well. I've made a lot of sales with it. But you can see all the different categories as well. And it's a very good website to go to. I would recommend that you would do reviews on some of these products. Now, people always ask me, do I need to buy the product? I would recommend yes, if you can. But there are plenty of people out there that have YouTube channels that do really good reviews and they never buy the product. Like, you could look at people's blog posts, you could look at other people's YouTube videos, and you never have to buy the product, and you could put together a really good review and talk about the pros and the cons and give everybody the information that they need, because people will go, but probably 90% of people will go to YouTube or Google to search the product name and review. And that's how they make a decision, because they want to just have a little bit more information before they buy. And I've made tens of thousands of dollars through product reviews, so it definitely does work. And I would say Digistore is a really good affiliate network to go to find products, because there might be products that are not on ClickBank. And by the way, I've done a lot of videos on ClickBank. I will leave a link in the description below to my playlist on ClickBank for beginners if you want to take a look at that. Another site you can go to is called JV Notify Pro, and you can go to this website and find products that are going to be released, and you can do a review on them before they're actually released, and then when they are released you can do another review, and you can contact the product owner and see if you can get a review copy and be able to do like a YouTube video and explain what's in the course and then offer bonuses. That's called Launchjacking. I actually did a video on this. You can take a look at, I'll post it in the description below, but this is a great way that you can make money as a beginner. Yes, it takes some work, but I have friends that do this all the time and they make a lot of money with Launchjacking. Here's an example of one product that was out recently and people made a lot of money with this product, and you can see how they did a video before it came out and then they did a video after it came out with bonuses. And this is a great way, again, that you can make a lot of money with product launches. So I will leave the link below. You can check out the video that I did on that. Another website you can go to is Traffic Domination. Now, this is a CPA website. It's completely free to sign up, but it's similar to affiliate marketing because you get paid when someone takes an action. And this one here, you can see all the different products that you can promote, and they're constantly adding to it. What I really like too is you're assigned an affiliate manager, so they can tell you the products that are selling the best and how they're being promoted. So take a look at this. I think it's a really good website. I did do a video just on this website, and I'm going to post that in the description below. You can get signed up completely for free in the description of that video, but I'll also leave a link in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and sign up for that network. But it's a really great network. Wayne Crow owns that, and he has solo ads that he sells, and he's very, very successful in affiliate marketing. There are all kinds of affiliate products out there to promote. I like recurring ones that you can become an affiliate with, like HostGator or Bluehost, because people will need these for their blog. And an example is John Chow. And you can see here that on his blog, he sets up WordPress blogs for free, and then he has people get hosting through him. That's the catch. Of course, I'm sure he outsources that, but I know for a fact he gets a lot of traffic to his blog and he makes a lot of money. So this is just an example of something that you could do. You could set up people's WordPress blogs for them, and then they could get hosting through you. Now I wanted to talk to you about why I think people fail in affiliate marketing. Again, it's not what you think. It's not because you're not getting enough traffic or finding a good affiliate product to promote. It's actually how you think. And I want to give you an example of this, and that's Paulo Barroso. He makes 7 figures, probably multiple 7 figures a year now, but he struggled for years in affiliate marketing. And he said he would just jump from one program to another program, thinking it was the program, trying different traffic sources, and he really was struggling for years. And his mentor finally told him, Paulo, it's not the program, it's not the traffic, it's you, it's how you think. And when he realized that, he said it was really kind of hurt his feelings. But when he realized that and started to do things in a certain way and think in a certain way, that's when he really started to have success. And I wanted to share with you this blog post that I put together that has training on exactly how you can train your mind for success and wealth. And the first thing is you want to set goals, and most people do not have goals, let alone have them written down. And just a great example of this is one time I read there was a room full of Olympic athletes, and they asked all of them, how many of you have goals? And they all raised their hand. And then they said, how many of you have your goals written down? And the only people that raised their hands were the people who won gold medals. So it's very, very important, and it's something that's often overlooked. So I'm going to leave a link to this blog post in the description below so you guys can go through this and see exactly what I would recommend that you do in order to train your mind for wealth and success that'll help you be successful in affiliate marketing. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you want to learn more about how to get started in affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description below the video. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll really enjoy these two videos right here that I created. Check these out. They're getting started right now.